Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nanye Abraham and I'm a graduate of Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, Mathematics. I read mathematics in my BSc program. Today we are doing a subtopic under a topic called differentiation, and the subtopic is titled Product Rule for Differentiation. Product Rule for Differentiation. And we are only going to solve some few examples and then we are good to go. I think 2 examples. Product Rule for Differentiation. Now what is product rule for differentiation? The rule is quoted here. You have what? If you want to find the y over the x, it is equal to u the v the x plus what? V the u the x. And why or where do you even use product rule? You use product rule in differentiation when 2 functions are multiplying each other. Let's say, for example, you have ax plus b. It's a function on its own multiplying, let's say y is equals to this, or let's say v. Let me use u and v. U is equal to this and v is equal to, let's say, cx plus d. These are 2 functions. They are multiplying each other. So u is multiplying v and y is equal to uv. That is when you use what? These things are multiplying each other. So you see that you have ax plus what? B multiplying what? Cx plus what? D. That is where you use what? The product rule in differentiation. In differentiation, that is when we use the product rule. And you know that you always represent the first thing or the first function to be what? U, and the second function to be what? To be v. That is why if you differentiate, for example, if you have y equal to uv, you want to differentiate this thing. This is a function. U is a function, v is also a function. So what you do is that you first want to differentiate what? The next this function. So you hold this one constant. So it will be what? The y, the x is a function of x. It's equal to, hold this one constant, differentiate this one. So it will be the y over, the v over the x, then plus whole what you have differentiated first constant, which is v, whole v constant, and differentiate the other one. So it will be the u over the x. And that is the differentiation. So we are picking 2 examples. The first example we have here, example 1. We have what? Y equal to 6x cube minus x 10 minus 20x, and we want to what? Differentiate this thing using the what? The product rule. We want to differentiate this using the product rule. So we know that the product rule states that the y the x is equal to u the v the x plus v the u the x. So please just keep the formula in your head. So you say that let v, let me say u first, let u equal to what? 6x cube minus x, and then u, we have find u, which is this, and v equal to 10 minus 20x. 10 minus 20x. So the next thing to do is you find what we now know our u and our v in the formula. So you find what you find the v dx. It means that you differentiate v with respect to what? X, and this is our v. Differentiate it with respect to x. If you are differentiating v with respect to x, anytime you differentiate a constant, it's what? 0. And anytime, so it's what? 0 minus, if you differentiate this thing, it will be what? 20. When you differentiate this, it is 1 times what? 20 minus 1, which will be what? Minus what? 20. So our dv dx is equal to minus 20. I am doing this very slowly so that we can all understand. We will understand and then enjoy the mathematics. So our du dx is equal to, we know u to be this, which we have stated here. U is, so multiply this by this, it will be what? 18x raised the power 3 minus 1, minus this one, it will be 1. So this is the same as what? 18x squared minus what? 1. That is our du dx. So you substitute this into your equation. You substitute this into your formula, which is dy dx is equal to, our u is what? Stated our u here, which is what? 6x cubed minus x, multiply by dv dx. dv dx is what we find to be what? Minus 20. Then plus our v is stated here to be what? 10 minus 20x, multiply by du dx. du dx is given here to be 18x squared minus 1. 18x squared minus 1. 18x squared minus 1. So 18x squared minus 1. So from here it's just about expansion. So this expansion will give us what? Minus 120 x cubed minus this multiplied by this will be plus 20x, plus this multiplied by this. If you expand it, this will be 180 x squared, 180 x squared minus 10. Then this multiplied by this will be 360 minus 360 minus 360 x cubed. Then this multiplied by this will be plus 20x. So simplifying this, grouping of like terms and simplification will give us minus 480x cubed. This plus this will give us minus 480x cubed plus 180x squared plus 180x squared, x squared, this, and then this plus this will also give us plus what? 40x, and then minus what? 10. And that gives us the solution of our first example. Solution of our first example. Solution of our first example. Our second example is given to be example 2. We have y equal to keep root of x squared, which is a function 2x minus x squared. 2x minus x squared. So this solution, this can be rewritten as 3x. This will be y equal to x squared multiplied by, this can be rewritten as 1 over 3 2x minus, I am going slowly so that we can all appreciate the mathematics we are doing. X over 3 2x minus x squared. Now let your u equal to x raised to the power 2 over 3, and then v equal to, this is a function, this is also a function, v equal to what? 2x minus x squared. Sorry. Now our next thing to do is to find du over dx. Du over dx, you are differentiating the u with respect to x, and this will be equals to what? 2 over 3x raised to the power 2 over 3 minus 1. Then you differentiate, that will be equal to 2 over 3 x raised to the power minus 1 over 3. That is equal to that. Du dx is equal to that, and dv dx is equal to, this is our v, we are differentiating it with respect to what? X, to be 2 minus 2x. Please, I hope you understand. If you don't understand, contact me personally, and I'll be very glad to take you through. So we are looking for dy dx, which in product formula, it's equal to v, it's equal to v, it's equal to u dv dx plus v du. It is addition. It doesn't matter what you, this is addition and multiplication. It doesn't matter what you bring first. When it is division and subtraction, what you bring first matters. It doesn't matter whether this terms comes first or this terms comes first. It doesn't matter. I hope you understand, but I just want to make it. So what you do is you now substitute your answers or your terms inside. We know our u to be x raised to the power 2 over x raised to the power 2 over 3 multiplied by the v dx. The v dx is 2 minus 2x, then plus our v is equal to 2x minus x squared, then multiply by du dx, which is equal to 2 over 3 x raised to the power minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3. So the rest is left unto you to do expansion, and if you do your expansion correctly, you're going to get dy dx is equal to 4 over 3 x raised to the power 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3 x raised to the power 5 over 3 plus 2x raised to the power 2 over 3 minus 2x raised to the power 5 over 3. And simplifying this, it will be 10 over 3 x raised to the power 2 over 3 minus 8 over 3 x raised to the power 5 over 3. And that brings us to the end of our video. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if today is your first time of visiting this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. The name again is Nenye Abraham, and I'm out.